Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Janet Cabrera and I am the CEO of Virtual Business Tutorials. Today we will show you the steps of how to register your business in Florida. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not like it, please comment down below what didn't you like so that we can address it in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss on my new videos. And without further ado, let's jump into the action. Let's start by going to Sunbiz.org. Here, we're gonna select Start a Business, and under Start e-filing, we're gonna choose Profit Corporation. Here, we're gonna select File or Correct Florida Profit Articles of Incorporation. And before we go further, I would like to let you know that before you file to register your business, just make sure that you check the name of your business, that it was available to be used. So it means that if I wanted my business to be named Virtual Business Tutorials, before I registered that name, I had to go to the search records and search for that name and make sure that nobody else was using it. So after you complete that task, you can come up here and start registering your business. Whenever you are on this web page, just make sure that you go around and you read all the instructions. Here we're gonna we're gonna check to certify that we have read and that we accept the terms. And after that, we're gonna click on Start New Filing. In here, we're gonna enter the effective date. If you can see there, you can, whenever you are at the website, just click on what is an effective date and it's gonna give you a description of what it is. More or less what it says is that the effective date can be 5 business days prior to the date of submission or up to 90 days after the date of receipt. Then after that one, after you input the effective date, you have the option to choose for a certificate of status and a certified copy. Both of them cost $8.75. And basically the certificate of status certifies that the corporation is in good standing for the division as corporation, and the certified copied certifies the articles of incorporation as true and correct. So let's continue. We're gonna put the corporate name, in this case Virtual Business Tutorials. After that, we're gonna add the corporate stock shares. I just put 100. We're gonna add the principal place of business, the address. If the mailing address is the same as your principal place of business, just check on this box where it says that it's same as principal address. Right after that, we're gonna enter who the registered agent is. The registered agent, as per the division of corporation, is the person that will accept service of process on behalf of a business entity. So just go ahead, read the description so that you have an idea of what a registered agent is and you know who you should put as a registered agent. You're gonna sign. Then we're gonna place the name of the incorporator. In this case, the incorporator is the person completing this filing with the name and the address. Noticing here before we go down, right above where it says notice of annual report, you need to make note of this because whenever you file or whenever you register for your business the next year, you will be required to file an annual report. So read through all this and just making notes so you don't forget. So after you have finished recording the incorporator name and address, just go ahead and sign. Right here, either you can put a description of the business, the corporate purpose, or you can just check and it will say any and all lawful business. Read always, and it says do not check this box if a professional association. You must list specific purpose below. So you have 240 characters remaining. Then after that, we're gonna fill out for the name and email address. And they need an email address because they're gonna be contacting you through the email. After we're finished writing the email, then we're gonna go to the officer and director. You're gonna put all the officers and directors. If it is only one, just put one. If it is more than one, go ahead and list everyone. After you finish, click continue. So when you hit continue, it will ask you to review everything that you have done, review it, and then click continue, and you're gonna get online filing information. Right here I highlighted this because it's very important, and it says that to allow 1 to 2 business days for your document to be examined and filed by the office. You should not be applying for the federal employer identification number yet. So whenever you get an email from the Division of Corporations telling you that your company has been accepted, then you can go ahead and apply for the FEIN. Click continue. And in this page is the payment page. You will be selecting either credit card payment or a Zenbis e-file account payment. In this case, we chose credit card payment. So click on credit card payment or the Zenbis e-file account payment. Right here, just fill out the information as requested. And whenever you are done, then click submit. Just make sure that if you click submit and it's still running, just let it run. Don't click back because you can create a duplicate payment. So just let the system work. And after you click submit, then you're gonna get your corporate filing payment confirmation. There's gonna be a document number. Save it because you're gonna be using it whenever you apply for the sales tax and unemployment. And this is it. Thank you very much for watching.